everybody, and welcome to day 218 of Rhys's stories. And today I'm going to be reading you The Big Sneeze, and it's a Folens book written by Lesley Jane and illustrated by Kirsten Roberts. Pat's big sneeze hits Kelly. Achoo! Now Kelly has a cold. Achoo! That is Kelly's big sneeze. Kelly's big sneeze hits his mom. Now Mom has a cold. Achoo! That is Mom's big sneeze. Mom's big sneeze hits Dad. Now Dad has a cold. Achoo! That is Dad's huge sneeze. Dad's huge sneeze hits the cat. Dad's huge sneeze hits the dog. Dad's huge sneeze hits Jan. The dog and the cat are okay, but Jan and Pat and Kelly and Mum and Dad have colds. Achoo! Sneeze! The end. I hope you enjoyed that lovely story called The Big Sneeze, written by Lesley Jane and illustrated by Kirsten Roberts. So I better go now, because I want to do something with my dad before I go to bed, and then I'll get on my pajamas, brush my teeth, and go to bed. So, bye, and I guess I will see you all tomorrow for day 219 of Rhys's stories. So, bye everybody!